Well, in my last video about launching Android apps from PhoneLink, I mentioned that there was something interesting. And this video, I'm going to talk about that. So first, I'm going to let you see it. And then on the backside, I'll talk a little bit about it. Okay, let's open up Bing. Bing doesn't open, but watch what happens when I click Bing again. It actually does open as a freeform window inside of that Bing window. This is really interesting. Okay, I'm interested if anybody's got some thoughts. I have thoughts. So when I first saw this and I saw that it was desktop mode, background at least, and there was that remote desktop icon, I got to thinking, well, how is Microsoft possibly using apps from the device up on PC? Is it kind of, I don't want to say projection, but like a desktop mode and bringing up just the apps? Is that what we're seeing? Is that how they're working it? And if it is, that may mean or may not mean that we'll be able to do this in real desktop mode. So I don't know. I want to investigate more. After encountering the problem, solving the problem, I went back and tried to do some more with desktop using taskbar, and so far I'm not successful, and I don't know if that's because of some inhibiting that may be going on with Microsoft and the way that they're handling desktop mode. I need to learn more. I need to understand more. So I'm hopeful somebody out there that sees this may have an understanding of what's happening here. It might like to share some info. So how about hit me up and let me know. Tell me what you think. And if you don't know, but you got ideas, let me hear them. Thanks for watching.